Hello friends, welcome back to the option. In this video, we are going to learn how to setting a schedule to trigger our workflows. So let's start. So as you can see here, this is my repository with the name sample workflow. And as you know, here I'm using a Visual Studio Code to push my code into my repository. Okay, so let's start. So in order to trigger workflows on a certain schedule, we can use a cron schedule expression. So here, first of all, I'm going to change here in on push. Here, if you want to use push, then you can use this push. But here, I want to use pull request. So here, I'm going to add pull request. And then types colon, then first closed, comma assign, comma open, reopen. So now here you can see here I'm using pull request and pull request, and it will only run on opened and reopened, and also another thing called synchronize. So how do you know what will happen if you did not specify any certain activities? So you can go into this page. You can see the page and contains all the events that can trigger a workflow. So here is it. So pull request can be, as we have seen, open, closed, reopened, synchronized, and lot of things you can see here: open, edited, close, reopen, synchronize, lock, unlock, and so on. So some events have something called activity types. You can see here it's called activity types. So that's why here I mentioned types. Okay, that's it. Then next is, so for a schedule, we can have another key here which is called schedule. So here I'm going to mention schedule. After that, colon. Then after that, here this will be an array, and each array should have an object with the key of cron, CRON. Then colon, then double quote, and in double quote our expression. So here, like our schedule expression, so it consists of 5 things: first minute, then hours, then day of a month, then month, and lastly day of week. And each one of these can be a certain number or a certain symbol. So here I'm going to mention star for 5 things. So now, by having this expression, our workflow will run every minute or every hour or every day of every month. That 5-star minute. So what if we added a number in this minute field here? So that's the minute field, first star. So here, if I add 1, this means our workflow will run at minute 1 of every hour. For example, 12:01, 13:01, 11:01, right? That means our workflow will run at at minute 1 of every hour. Okay. So now here we have a tool that is called Content Guru. That is called Content Guru here. And using this tool we can turn expression. You can see the tool. So firstly our expression is like this. Now that 5-star meaning at every minute, right? The next is that right now my time is 17:30 and the next is 17:31, right? That 5-star meaning that our expression will run every minute. Okay. Then as you can see the description, firstly star means any value, comma means value list separator, hyphen means range of values, slash means step values. And you can see the first star meaning minutes, then second position for hour, then third for day of month, then fourth for month, and lastly day of week. Okay, so now here if I add 1, then as you can see here next, that description you can see here at minute 1, that means the next is 18:01. Right now my timing is 30 70:30. So the next is 18:01. Then if I click on this next, then after that, then 19:01, then 20:01, then 21:01, and then 22:01. So that's the minute. And here if I added hour, so I'm going to add 12 o'clock. So you can see here at 12:01, that hour and that minute. And next is 12:01, 25 September, then 26 September, then 27 September, 28, 29. Okay. So that's the hour and minute. Same it is same like this, day, month, and day of week. Same as it is. Okay, so that's our expression. So here, and not one thing, that our con expression followed the time of UTC. So you can see here the UTC current time is 12:02 p.m. Okay, so our con expression follow the time UTC. Okay. Okay. So now here my expression is like this. That's meaning is that's the meaning is at minute 1. Right. So my next expression will run on 18:01, but the UTC time is 12:02. So my expression will run on 1:01. Right. By this UTC time. Okay. So here I'm going to save this file and now open new terminal. And now I'm going to push this code into my repository. So first command is git init, then git dot, then git commit hyphen m, and double quote, enter your commit. So my commit will be schedule. Then git push. So it's done. So let's go to the actions. And as you can see here, this is my shell commands workflow. As you can see here, the workflow. So as I told you, our workflow will run on after 1 hour. You can see here by UTC time. Right now UTC time is 12:02. So my expression will run on 1:01. So wait for some minutes. And now if you want to run your expression after 5 minutes. So your expression is like that, 0/5. So you can see here at every 5th minute from 0 through 59. That means the next is 1740, then 1745, then 1750, then 1755, then 18, and so on. Okay. So as you can see here, the note non-standard may not work with every con. So you need to note this. Not standard may not work with every con, so that's why I'm not using that expression. So that's why here I'm using 1. That means at minute 1. Okay. So now wait for some minute. So as you can see here, now our workflow is in progress. You can see here. Now if I go to the time of UTC, you can see the time is 1:28. So it actually run on this 1:01 on time, but I just want demo running over the schedule, and easiest thing to do was hopefully run in time, but it didn't work. But you can use schedule, and you might have to be patient. So as you can see, our workflow is in progress. So let's check. So you can see our workflow status success. So that means our job is succeed. So go to the actions, and you can see it's success. Okay, if I go to the action workflow, then you can see our steps. Okay, so but as I told you, but it actually run on 1:01 time, but I just want demo running on schedule, and it didn't work. So you can see, but you can use this schedule, and you might have to be patient. Okay, so thank you for watching our video. So in this video, we have learned how to setting a schedule to trigger our workflows. So thank you for watching our video. I hope you like the video and it's helpful to you. So please like, share and subscribe our DevOps Center channel.